Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Ymyhair. It says meet yourself when you seek beauty. So this is their packaging, and then there's this drawstring bag, which I guess has the wig, which we're gonna get into in a few. I got some goodies. So I got this, clip, a branded elastic headband, pair of eyelashes, pair of HD wig caps, and this edge brush and comb. I always love getting a good drawstring bag because it's great for storage, as you already know. So let's go ahead and get into the wig. So I got this little cute card thingy in the wig bag itself, and it is so cute. They sent some more lace tips in there, but it just has information. How cute is that? It's just them telling you thanks for your purchase. And then also I love the little sayings on the inside. It's like, never say never, anything is possible, yesterday was good, today is great, tomorrow will be greater, tomorrow will be even better. No matter what you're going through, believe that there is light ahead. So today's wig is YMY's P4/27 highlight wig, and it's a glueless wig, 360 with Invisistrap, and it's a snug fit, bleached knots. Okay, so really nicely pre-customized, and it's a HD lace. As you can see, it's pre-cut already. It's also pre-plucked. Looks amazing. Okay, there's also this adjustable elastic band, and the Invisistraps are in the very back here. And Invisistraps are just overall, oh, there's like this labeling in here, just branding the wig. But yeah, oh, there are adjustable straps in the back as well. But Invisistraps are always more discreet, because obviously they're like invisible, so you're not gonna be able to see them after you've adjusted your wig with them to fit to your liking. So that I do love. When you apply the wig, you just go ahead and tug on it, and you pull it to how tight you want it to be, and then you adjust the knob here. Right, they already knot this here, but this is pretty snug, so it doesn't move around quite easily. So that will keep the fit in place, or it will keep it to the sizing that you prefer. And this is a color job on this wig. It's gorgeous. I also love it how full it is. It's not too coarse, because you see that it's processed, but it's not too coarse. It's full to the tip of the hair, and it's nice and silky. There is minimal shedding, just so you know. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, so that's how that looks. I love that little highlights. But yeah, let's go ahead and do this very easy quick install. They sent an extra Invisistrap on the inside with a needle, or can you guys see, with this needle. So what I love is that they give you direction should you need to install that extra one. In case you damage the one that's already installed in the wig, they show you exactly what you need to do on the back here. This is super snugged on my head, but there's just a little piece in the front that doesn't have any hair at all, and you guys know I don't like to keep that portion because it just adds to the front being extra casty, and there's no point in keeping it, so I'm just cutting that away. Alright, so you did see where I did cut around the ear portion, and I did remove the extra lace, just that tiny bit. So what I want to do, I'm just gonna go ahead and I want to secure this is completely glueless, by the way, as you guys know. So option number one, all right, you could go ahead and just tap down the sides of these portions with some melting spray, or you could go in with the lace tips. I show you guys a lot how to use the lace tips, but today I just want to go in with some melting spray, which is super quick. I'm just gonna be going in with the PS Luxe melting spray. Okay, really good. So I'm just gonna take my time, apply this to the hairline, and then you know, tie it down for like 5-10 minutes with my little headband that I got in the package. In the meantime, while that dries down, I'm just gonna go ahead, and you know it's a 360, so you know the vibes. I'm gonna be sure to go ahead and put this up in a ponytail today, or do a bun. So yeah, you know I have to show the beauty of the wig. The hair is actually soft for processed hair, like you can feel that it's processed, you know, but it's not like super coarse. So before I go in and do my ponytail, you guys know the vibes, so I'm gonna show you guys again, just like I did when I unboxed the wig. So all you want to do, right, is you want to pull on the Invisistrap to as tight as you want it to be, and then you take the knob right here and you adjust it, and it's really secure, like it's not shifting, it's not sliding back. And then I usually just take the string and I tuck it beneath the wig. So I just tuck that beneath the wig, and voila. So to further just make sure that there is no cast in the front, I'm just gonna, you know, apply a little face powder to the very front, tap that in. No, I just need to make my ponytail. So just to keep everything in place while I do that, I'm gonna put the headband on again. You guys know me and my one bun, right? You guys know me. You already know. Oh, so cute, right? Gets me every time. Every time. So cute. And voila, we are all finished. Looking super discreet, completely glueless, like perfectly constructed. Let's get into the back of the wig. Right, yeah, looking good. Why you did it again. I absolutely love it. Very easy to work with. Everything is absolutely on point, very convenient. It's perfect for my beginners. Doesn't take a long time to install. You don't have to be worried about having to use glue. That's one of the best part. So yeah, love that. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Hope you found this informative. The direct link to this wig will be in my description box, as well as all the specifications, so please go ahead, check that out down below. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.